Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nayonika Rathore. So I know we met after a long time, and I'm really sorry. Actually, I was very busy. I know I uploaded my last video 5 months ago. I'm really sorry. So now let's start again with our journey and all in Nayonika with me. Let's start. So today we're gonna make a hobby project in which we're gonna add our hobbies. Alright, like I have it only two and I've only added 5 to 7 steps in each one because I had created for a competition and I had a time limit, so I cannot do it more. But I'm sure you're gonna do it more, right? Right. So let's get started. So now let me tell you how it works. See if our hobby is dancing, hobby selected, then we can write something. Then we have the next button, the previous button, and we even have the home button. We can directly go to home. Then we have this crafting one. Hobby selected tutorial. Next, previous home. You know, right? So I'm not gonna tell you whole that I'm gonna not do it again because I have a time limit again. I'm very busy. Oh, sorry. Just a second, guys. Really sorry. I'm too a human, right? What is this? Let's name it this. Alright. We can choose anything we like. I mean, you like. You understand me, right? So it's gonna be black only, but we are gonna increase the font size. Increase, and just increase it. Center. You can adjust it accordingly, guys. So here we need two labels, one drop down and one button. Then with the dancing screen, here we have three labels, one image, tutorial, I mean two buttons. And be sure you need to add images in the tutorial so that it can be easy for the user. Same here, three labels, one image and two buttons. Then here three buttons. One is hidden because in the first one we don't need a previous button. One image and one empty label. Same here, three images, one button and one empty label. So now let's start with the code. I know I'm running fast, but I'm gonna tell you it in detail. Don't be tensed. So first of all, we have the block which says that whenever the application opens or from whatever screen it opens, the screen should be homepage. Okay, so let's get to the next part of code. So the next part of code says that on event, which I have already told you many a times that on event means that if something is clicked, changed, it is on that mouse is moved or whatever we are choosing, and on this element if it is done, what's gonna happen? And it's the function. So when button hobby, which is this one, this is clicked. In this, we are creating a variable which is named var hobby. Variable hobby, which is var is variable. It's the short form of it, which is used by programmers in the coding. So variable variable hobby is alright. Just let me tell you what is actually a variable. So a variable is a container which stores some particular thing which is actually entered in it. So this variable is going to store the text. This is going to store the text which is written in the dropdown. If we choose dancing, so it's going to store dancing. And when button hobby is clicked, whatever is chosen here will be stored in variable hobby. If this variable if what is if and if whatever is in the small brackets is the condition, whatever is in the curly brackets is the result, which means if this happens, what should be the result? If this happens, then what should be the result? So if variable hobby is dancing, then the screen should be dancing, which is this one. And if the variable hobby is crafting, if the variable hobby is crafting, then the screen should be crafting. Alright, so let's get to this button. So now we're in the dancing screen. I'm going to only tell you, if I have time, I'm going to tell you both the screens, otherwise just one, because it's like, I mean, the same. So when button dance tutorial, actually BN is the short form of button used in Korea, right? So if this is the button dance tutorial, this one. So if this is clicked, then the screen should be this one, which is dance tutorial. Just a second. And when this is clicks, when this screen appears, then the text, all right, I'm going to tell you where it, all right, then the text of this is the label dance tutorial, then the text of this should be this thing. This is, I mean, it's so long. See, let me tell you how long is this. See, I mean, so long. Yeah, actually it's so long. Why? Not a big deal to worry about. So whatever you want to write, you can just write according to your hobby or whatever you're making. Then what should image in what should be the image of image underscore dance? Then it is, I have actually saved the images. I hope so you know that, right? Yeah, anyway you know that. So I have saved the images in one, and now my image. See how can we save it? We need to click on it. We need to click on choose, and here I have already uploaded the images. If you want a new image which you haven't uploaded, click on this button. You will go the options to upload it. So it is one post.png. So this is gonna appear here. Then here we have a button home. So in whatever screen this button home is clicked, the screen will be again home page. Right? And in actually just a second now. In dance tutorial it is button home, and crafting tutorial it's button house. So both we have done that set screen to home page. Okay. So now we are declaring a variable dance which is equal to 1, which means this dance variable has the value 1. Then whenever this button next is clicked, this variable dance will be dance plus 1. That is if the variable dance value is 1. So when first time the button is clicked, it will be 1 plus 1, that is 2. Second time button will be clicked, then it will be 2 plus 1, 3. Third time, then it will be 3 plus 1 again, that is 4. Right? So when the button is clicked first time, the value of the dance variable will be 2. So if the variable of the dance variable is 2, value of dance variable is 2, then the text of this variable, this label will be this thing, whatever you want to write, and the image will be this thing, and the next screen is gonna appear. See, become dancing. Select hobby. So this happens, which was written here. All right, and in this case, see, the button is hidden. Button previous is hidden, but now button previous hidden is false. That is, button previous is not hidden. Button previous is hidden. This statement is false, which means now when the dance variable value is 2, we have this screen and the button variable is visible. Alright? Great. So now when the dance is 3, then then this is the text and this is the image, and then again it's visible. Same for dance equals 4, dance equals 5, and I have 7 steps actually, 6 or 7 steps. I have 6 steps. See, so when one time it is clicked, the dance variable will be, the value will be 2. When two time it is clicked, the dance variable value will be 3. When three time it is clicked, the dance variable value will be 4. It is just one increased. So when it is clicked 6 times in the variable, the value will be 7. Alright. So actually you can also hide it by using this only, but button next and hidden is true. So that you can hide it. Alright. So now let's come to button previous. Now in button next what happened? It was just added. But now it's the same variable, but now it's subtracted. The dance is -1. What? What if the dance is -1? See, it's right now 7. What if the dance is 6? This will be the label. See, what if the dance is this thing 3? Is it 3? Oh, you can just add for if dance. Yeah, just a second. You can also add for when dance equals 3 because 3 minus 1 is 2. Right, I actually haven't added it. Then again, you can add 2 minus 1 also. So same, like now what is the step and what is the image and it is hidden or not. Alright, so now we have on event button tutorial is clicked. Let's go to home. Let's go to crafting hobby selected. When this button tutorial is clicked, the screen will be crafting tutorial and this will be the step and this will be my image. Then same button homey and housey. Alright, we have this reference here too. Actually, see this button homey is this one, which is I mean this is the housey. Alright. What is this? This is the housey, alright? This is the balcony and this is house, and in that case also one was home, one was house. So now we are same way, we have a variable which is now steps. Same, when button next is clicks, the step will become step plus 1 and we have the text image and we are hiding it, then it will become -1 and it's all just the same, guys. Everything is the same, so we don't have actually anything new, right? I'll just roll you off one screen and you can just alright, I'm also gonna share this link to you guys so that you can just even add it in it, or you have actually a project that I need to create like a project like this one and you have like this one, so you won't have a great problem. And even I don't think so you will have, because I have already told you what to do, how to do. So I don't think so you will have a problem. But if yes, I'm gonna share you the link. Alright. So just a second. Yeah. So yeah, I'm now done with it. So today's project is completed, guys. So thank you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and if you are old still, please subscribe if you have not. All right, thank you, guys. Bye bye, tata.